Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're gonna make a little snack. It's actually like spaghetti, but instead of using the long spaghetti noodles, what I did is at home I just checked to see what I had, and I found some shells. They're pasta shells. You have your mom or your older brother or sister cook them for you, and then you drain them. And while that's being drained, what I did is all you need is spaghetti sauce, depending on how much you want. You can use, I used a large can and a small one. So I put the spaghetti sauce in here, and I also added a little bit of garlic and onion powder. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. You can also add some chili peppers in there. While it's cooking, you can add all of this, and you can use a crock pot. That way you don't get near the stove. And once it's simmering, all we're going to do next is put some pasta in there. And like I said, whatever you have, if you will feel like eating pasta and you don't have the long pasta, you can use the shells, you can use rigatoni, whatever you feel like, and it'll come out just like spaghetti. Okay, I'm gonna mix that. Okay, you're gonna stir it. It should be done. And this is a quick, easy snack. And if you want to, you can use Parmesan cheese, or I'm using a little bit of mozzarella. And there you go, that's it. It's easy. You can have a side of salad, breadsticks or crackers, a slice of toast, and there's your quick little snack.